Okay, seems to be recording.
Okay. Can you please stop your screen sharing first?
Okay, wait a second.
Okay. So in last week, I designed the first screen, okay, with some color theme and the tooltip. You mentioned in our last session that you want a tooltip so that user can understand what this field is for.
Exactly, yeah.
So let me show you.
I've seen you've done a lot this week, right?
No. I just do the designs and the tooltip screen only because I want to take confirmation from you first. Like if you like those designs, then we will move forward. Otherwise, it will be a rework for me if I move forward without your.
Okay.
Here it is. Sorry. So this is the navigation. Okay, that show what this form is for. Okay, these are the field.
Yeah.
Okay, user can enter the details. Okay, and
so the second field should be like you can insert a number, right? Shouldn't be like
yes.
text, but should be like
Okay,
a value.
That can be changed because the keyword, I didn't give the keyword style for yet. Okay, we can change it to the number keyword or something else keyword so
Okay.
that user can only now, now you can see those button here.
Yeah.
These question marks. They allow user to know what this field is for. So when he taps, so it say that this field.
Ah, okay.
This kind.
That's beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is. So I have done these things. So I want to show you so that if you confirm this, that is the theme, this blue and white theme, and these tooltip designs. Okay, so I can move forward with those things.
Yeah. What I had in mind also was, can we have a look at the Excel spreadsheet once again?
Yeah, sure. I'm opening the English one. So.
That's good. Yeah.
Okay. So
one thing that is useful is, as you just did, that that the user can see like the street name, like here Neckartalstraße, you know, that is good. But I would also like to have the information available that is
like
in
this?
that text box. Exactly. Yeah. Do we have a possibility to show that information?
You want this information, like please enter the street name of the appointment.
Exactly. Yeah.
So you want this should be here when user press this, or something like that.
Yeah, that like a small pop-up window appears, like providing that tooltip.
Okay,
you know?
okay. In this week, I will do this stuff. So I will try to make what you want. So let me see how it goes. Okay, and then I will show you how it works. So let me write down what I need to. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So what I am understanding that you want when user tap here,
Mm-hmm.
okay, there here it is some information that tells this tool what information in this field goes like this, that please enter the street name of the apartment.
Yeah. Um, um, Maybe I'll draw a little picture later on and just send it to
Okay.
you so that you've got
Mm-hmm.
a good idea of what I'm thinking about. Okay? So
Okay.
write that down. Wait a second. Yeah. I'll draw a little picture. I think that would be helpful. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this is we have in the app so far. So
Mm-hmm.
so uh, I will send you the code, or if you like any changes,
Mm-hmm.
okay, in the design or something else, then you please let me know, so that because this is our first screen, okay,
Mm-hmm.
if we make changes in this and then when this screen gets final,
Mm-hmm.
so we will move on, so that
Okay.
I don't have to do rework in the designing part of for
Mm-hmm.
rest of the screens.
Mm-hmm. So yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. So does it make sense that we draw that picture that I just mentioned, that we draw it together right now, or is that fine if we do it later on?
As you wish. If you can show me how you want, I will send you this screenshot, or
Mm-hmm.
if wait, I will tell you how you want. If
Mm-hmm. Mm. Wait a second. Okay. I think I'll share my screen. Wait a second. Okay. 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 So. Okay. Mm. Let's check. Let's just take that one. Okay. So we've got that text box, and inside there is maybe already like Straße. Okay. And there is there's the tooltip box. And as soon as you click on the question mark, there is another box that appears, like maybe that one, that pops up. Same. Please enter here the street name, and so on. So just what I added into these small little boxes, you know. So that would like a predefined value saying the street name, so that the user can say, Oh, okay, understood. I can enter here the street name. So the user will be just, one second, will say, okay, Neckartalstraße, that's not my street name. I'll just delete and type in the street of my apartment.
Okay.
And just in case the user doesn't understand what to do, I mean, in this case, it's pretty obvious, you know, street name, that is easy, yeah. But there are more difficult fields further down the road. So in these cases, it might make sense to click on the question mark, and then you receive that tooltip just telling you exactly what you need to do. And then you say, okay, understood, I know what to do. I'll click in that field and just enter what needs to be entered.
Okay.
Honestly, I don't know if there is the possibility, technically speaking, to have this kind of pop-up window. Do you think there is something like that, or don't
look,
we have?
this I can make this window that please enter here the street name, etc. When the user taps on the question mark. Okay. What the thing is that like you mentioned that the text field is pre-populated with the street name.
Yeah.
Okay. Then let me share my screen there.
Sure. So I need to stop, right? A second. Okay. Your turn.
Like you can see here, okay. If I wrote the street name here in instead of this address, okay.
You've
then
got the
when users yeah, when users start type, then it moves up so that it rectifies the user that this field is for address. Okay.
Understood. Yeah.
So I can do one thing. When user taps, I will highlight this as shown now, and also a also a window above here, above this yellow fold. Okay.
Yeah.
That's showing that please enter your street name here, like shown below or something else.
So that would be perfect, you know. So I'll just repeat what you said. Can you delete the first field once again, please?
Look, the second option we have, okay.
Okay.
When users look, if we have when user is here, okay. When he taps on this text field, okay, I will show a view or a help screen below this text field, okay. That's showing please enter your street name here, okay. Okay, if the user get confused and he taps on this question mark, then we will show this example like this.
I think I prefer the first option because I like the view that you just did very much. I like it that way. Adresse, Fläche, Zimmer. That is perfect. Yeah. And as soon as the user clicks the question mark, he gets an example highlighted in yellow color, which is perfect. And he also gets like that little pop-up window that says just enter your address here.
Okay.
If that is technically possible, that would be just perfect. Yeah.
Yes, it's possible. So I will do the thing that when user press this question mark, okay. Now we will show this yellow with the street name, and also a view that's that have a field written that please enter your street name here.
Do you think there is the space for that, like that bubble or that additional field?
Yeah, either I will present that that additional thing below this view, below this yellow, or either on the top of this question mark, like from here to here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, either
like
here
these
or
bubbles
either
in
here.
comics, you know.
Bubbles in comics. Okay, I will try to do that one. Okay, I will try to do this thing. Okay, if something goes, if I don't, if I didn't do that, then I will let you know if some complications are there. Okay.
Yeah, so that would be really, really beautiful. We've got a clean view showing only, like you just did, Adresse, Fläche, Zimmer. That is perfect.
Okay.
And as soon as the user needs help, he receives two things, one example and an exact description of what to do. Yeah, that is brilliant.
Okay.
Yeah.
The second thing is that if you want that pop-up, if you want those things in pop-ups, when user press this next button, okay, so if he left this field empty, okay, then when he press this next button, I will show a pop-up from the top that please enter the address.
Yeah.
Okay,
that's good. Yeah.
Okay, so that's the things I want to show to you in this meeting, and I will send you the code so that you can play with it, or you want to, if you want to do something with the code.
Okay.
As we discussed earlier.
Yeah. So the code will be like a folder with a bunch of files, right?
Yes. And if you have any suggestions or something you want extra in this thing, so you can message me anytime. Okay. And I will get back to you.
Okay, brilliant. Okay. One thing I wanted you to ask, wait a second. So that's so far all you wanted to show me, right?
Yes.
Okay. So wait a second. Desktop. Okay. So my understanding of how to do an app project is so far that we need to discuss like design questions.
Yes,
design questions, or can we call that storyboard maybe?
Or you can call stories, storyboard or stories.
Stories?
Yes, stories.
Like that?
Yes.
Okay. Later on, as soon as we have that design ready in place, we need, like, I'd say the logic behind, like like the user enters something wrong. How can we say that? Error handling?
Yes, you can say error handling or validations.
Then we've got like the calculation, the formulas that I provided. Yeah, that's it actually. So what would be the next logical step in such a project?
The next step in this is that so you can unit test the app. Okay.
Like testing. Okay.
And the bug fixing. If any bugs comes, then you have to fix this.
And as soon as the both of us are completely happy with what we did, there is something like we have to submit it to the Apple App Store, right?
Yes.
Or did I forget an important step? No.
No.
Do I have to create something like an identification?
Yes. For both Apple and Google Store, you have to first take the membership of the respective stores. Then only you can submit the app to the stores.
So how can I write that down?
You can write down, take a membership for the stores.
Okay.
Or become a member with the stores.
Create membership. Okay. So are there any costs attached to that step?
Yes, with Apple Store, it's $99 per year, and with Apple, with the Google, it's I think $35 or $25 per year for lifetime.
Sorry. Okay. So for Apple, it's $99.
Yeah, per year.
Per year. Okay. Good. Okay.
And for Google Play Store.
Does it make sense for iOS app to?
No, not for iOS. If you want to create an Android version.
Just for information. Okay.
Okay.
So submit to App Store, and later on, maybe things like, I don't know, marketing or
marketing, or you can say App Store optimization.
Okay. So just to get an impression of how much work each step is, for like design questions, we had something like, let's say 3 to 4 sessions or something like that, maybe.
Actually, it depends upon the type of the project. Okay, since our project is simply a input type project, like user has to input the information into the text field. So every screen has the same design.
Okay. So that is an easy one, But in the case of an easy one, we needed like 3 to 4 sessions. So
yes, because
that should be fine,
because before going to the development, the designs should be freezed. Okay, they should be final with both client and with the client. Okay. Because if there's a change in the designs, then the whole scope of the project gets changed.
Yeah, understood. Yeah.
Okay.
The logic thing, I guess, might be 3 to 4 sessions as well. Is that a good assumption, or?
No. The logic thing depends upon the number of screens we are going to make. Okay, and how much time each screen will take. Okay. So it will take more sessions, or I think not more sessions, but the more time to development. Because the sessions are mostly of 30 to 35 minutes.
So maybe that would be a good assumption. 3 to 4 sessions, but more time of development, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, testing depends, I know, but I think that would be 4 sessions at least. Telling from my experience of other projects.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you think that is a good assumption for 4 sessions, like testing and bug fixing, like testing?
Because look, the testing is a part that you have to give time to that. Okay?
Yeah.
So some of the scenarios you can't find in 2 hours or 3 hours.
Yeah.
So you have to give ample time for testing.
Yeah. Would you recommend to involve other people into the testing part? Because I mean, I know already everything related to that app, but a totally new user would maybe add some fresh insights into the whole thing. So maybe if I've got a friend of mine that is willing to test, do we have a possibility to share just what we did to the?
Yes. Do you have iPhone?
I've got an iPhone and an iPad. Yeah.
Okay. So if you want to test the app on your iPhone and your friend's iPhone, okay, then you have to give me the UDID of your iPhones, your and your friend's iPhones. I have a membership account with the Apple, so I can register your devices with that portal, and I will give you the running app. Okay, so you can test the app on your phone.
Oh, that's good. And you called that UD
ID, unique.
Unique ID. Okay.
Yeah, unique ID of the phones.
Okay. And that whole submission thing to the App Store, do you recommend that I do that on my own, or is it like a technical challenge as well?
No. It's not a technical challenge. If you want to learn that thing, then we can do that thing in one session. Okay. So I can give you instructions how to do it, and you will do it on your Mac system. Okay, so it's a good experience to you to how to upload. So if you need some further updates for the app and I am not available, so and you want to upload the app so that you can upload if you have done that once before.
Understood. Okay. Yeah, uploads and like updates to the existing app. So how does that process work? I mean, if there's a new version, I mean, the way I experience updates of existing apps on my iPhone is just that there pops up an indication, new version available, and it just installs. Can we do it that way too, or is it just for like expansive big apps, that process?
No. Actually, it totally depends upon. Look what happens in real scenario. If you have an app installed on your phone, okay.
Yeah.
Now, if there is new update available for that app, so okay, then the default app, the App Store app on the iPhones have a notification for those. Okay. That these apps have updates or new versions on the store, so you can either update it or not. It totally depends upon you. So I don't think that you have to present that thing inside of your app.
Okay.
Because the App Store is handling that thing automatically. So why do waste something on a part that already done by someone else?
Let's assume that a user has already entered some values into his app. Will this update process kill the information that is already entered into his app?
No. This will not. It totally depends upon the development how it done. Okay, so it will not erase the data, because if it's erased, then no one will update it, because they might store a large number of data inside it.
So technically speaking, will the information that is being entered by the user, will it sit in the mobile device, or will it sit on some Apple server?
No. It will inside the app, inside the device. If this device got malfunctioned, then all the data gone.
Okay. Yeah, that's perfectly fine so far. I mean, yeah. Okay. Okay. But I can just like I can keep in mind that there will be some possibility to create updates that will appear to the user like automatically, right? Okay. Okay. All right. So wait a second. Okay.
So you are saying that you want some feature that that let the user tell inside the app that the new version is available for the update, right?
I didn't make up my mind on that
Okay, you
topic.
can take
So
our time. Still, we have very much time.
yeah, that's true. Yeah.
That's
Okay.
that's not. We can do that later, so that's not an issue. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
we have to first finish that Excel sheet as soon as we can.
Okay. Okay. All right. So I think that's all we wanted to discuss today, right?
Yes.
Okay. So do you think there will be some time for you available to do some programming the upcoming week, or are you busy on your day job?
Actually, no. Actually, it depends upon the day-to-day schedule of mine because I don't know. I have one project and it's already aligned up for the week, but
Mm-hmm.
but sometimes they assign me some other work also.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it get very hectic for me.
Mm-hmm.
So I can't say, but I will try to give as much time as I can
Mm-hmm.
give to this project so that we can finish it as soon as we.
Yeah, just feel free. I mean, I want you to have fun doing this little side gig. So
Yes,
just
yes.
do it.
That
Hmm.
yes. That's why I first tell my clients that I am not a full timer because I know that my constraints are the things that I can't give. Some days I can't give time to the
Yeah.
project. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
so
Totally.
that's why that's
Totally clear. Yeah. 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 Just feel free to throw in time if you have time available, and if not, it's fine as well. Yeah.
yes. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, Tarun. So I think that's it for today.
Yeah, I will share the code share the code with you in few minutes, and then you can go through that one also.
Sorry, I didn't get that one.
I am saying that I will share the code done so far by
Ah,
me.
okay, okay, okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So I'll let you know if I was able to handle all of that.
No, no.
Yeah. Okay. Good. So, Town, have a nice day and see you soon.
Yeah, sure. Same to you, and
Thank you. See you.
see you. Bye.